My name is Greg Hissey. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Onduline. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the very unique ISOLINE Low Line system and also introduce you to the new preferred installer training sessions that we're going to be launching across the UK. The Onduline ISOLINE Low Line system is a very unique subroof system which enables any tile in the UK to be installed as low as 10 degrees. Onduline are just about to launch a preferred installer training for roofing contractors, and we'll be using this very unique rig which enables the contractor to not only observe how the low line is installed, but also gives them the opportunity to visualise how the weathering details are done. The ISOLINE Low Line rig enables the installer to observe exactly how to install the product. As you can see, the ISOLINE Low Line system is installed onto either a roof deck or battens, and it becomes the primary waterproofing layer. Battens are then installed on top, and these are set to the gauge of the tile. Further details we can observe are weathering to upstands or chimneys. These are very traditional weathering methods that the roofing contractor will be used to doing. On the rear of the roof rig is a small area for the roofing contractor to practice and have a go installing the low line system and the battens. Just gives them the opportunity to ask any questions and fully understand how the install process is completed. ISOLINE Low Line offers a 30-year warranty, it's BBA accredited and is made from a minimum of 47% recycled materials. Weathering the ISOLINE Low Line system couldn't be simpler, whether it be a side abutment, a soil vent pipe, or as we can see here, an upstand to an existing wall. You simply use our very unique ISOLINE Low Line apron piece, and that enables you full weathering up to the upstand. If you're interested in becoming a preferred installer for the unique ISOLINE Low Line system, please get in touch with Onduline UK.